Jumpstart your fitness in just 10 minutes.
Looking for a quick way to burn fat and boost energy? This 10-minute full-body routine is designed for beginners. No equipment needed. With a focus on basic moves and continuous motion, it gets your heart pumping and metabolism going, all within a short time frame. Just clear a little space, wear comfortable clothes, and get ready to move.
Warm up. Prepare your body.
Before you start, it's important to warm up. Spend 1 minute jogging in place or marching briskly. Add arm circles and gentle torso twists to wake up your muscles and joints. This helps prevent injury, gets your blood flowing, and mentally prepares you to make the most of your workout.
Step 1. Cardio burst with bodyweight moves.
Begin with 1 minute of jumping jacks, an effective way to elevate your heart rate. Next, move on to 1 minute of high knees, or brisk marching in place. These cardio intervals help burn calories and rev up fat loss, all while being gentle on joints for beginners.
Step 2. Strength and toning combo.
Transition to 1 minute of bodyweight squats. Focus on good form, keeping your back straight and knees behind your toes. Then, do 1 minute of push-ups or knee push-ups if you're just starting out. These exercises target your major muscle groups, building strength while supporting fat loss.
Step 3. Core activation.
Finish with 1 minute of standing knee to elbow crunches, then 1 minute of gentle plank holds. Use your knees for support if needed. These core exercises tighten and strengthen your midsection, supporting overall movement and stability. Aim for good posture and steady breathing.
Cool down and tips for success.
End your workout with 1 to 2 minutes of slow marching and stretching. Focus on your legs, arms, and back. Remember, consistency is key for fat loss. Just 10 minutes daily can make a difference. Pair your routine with healthy eating and proper rest for the best results.